Hi guys, today we are going to introduce a step-through electric fat bike for ladies which is more accessible. 4-inch fat tires and front suspension ensure that you'll be comfortable whether you choose the pavement or the trail, whilst the front suspension means you'll absorb all the bumps in your path. It equipped with a powerful 750 watts BAFANG motor and hydraulic disc brakes help you conquer hills without breaking a sweat. While a 720 watt-hours hidden lithium battery means that it can go further, makes recharging and storing your battery a breeze. Integrated in fenders mean that you'll feel safe and stay clean even in the worst conditions. Last, but certainly not least, it comes equipped with our new colorful LCD display, which easily view important ride metrics such as speed, pedal assist level, battery capacity, distance traveled and more. With the touch of a button you can change your e-bike's class rating, control the integrated lights. It is the ideal to get on and go through all types of weather and terrain. If you are interested in this e-bike, please feel free to leave us a comment below. Hope you have all enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Any problems, welcome to contact us. Thanks for watching.